Hi guys, welcome to Auto Pro channel. My name is Ali. I'm a dealer in Kansas City area. Today I wanna share with you guys the car I bought from Copart. It's 2016 Nissan Murano SL, fully loaded. It's front-wheel drive. I got a really good deal on it. I bought it around 43, a bit like 4,400, and with the Copart fees came up around 5,000. That's approximately like $600-700 Copart fee. Plus I paid around $300 for transportation. I bought from St. Louis Copart location, and to get delivered to Kansas City cost me around $300 to get delivered. So I got a really good deal on it. The Blue Book value, not a Blue Book value, trade-in value is 18,000, and I think the market value is around 22,000. So you can come closer. This car had the left front damage. So the thing was damaged on this was a bumper, headlight, fender, and slightly the hood got bent, and the grill was damaged, and also suspension was damaged, and the door, left front door. So what we replaced was the left front door, fender, bumper, the suspension, the grill, and repaired the hood and painted all these parts. So it came out nice. Let me see. It's very nice. It has the cameras, 360-degree view. When you back up camera, it shows you from around as well. So it has backup camera in the back, and also these cameras under the side mirrors, they show around you, so you can see when you backing up blind spots, you don't get your car stretched up. So it's a really nice car. I like it. It's fully loaded. It's like a sport type of SUV. Drives really nice. It has a factory push start. Okay, let me tell you about this car. So this is 2016 Nissan Murano SL. This has nice features, as I said. It has the cameras under the side mirror, which shows you 360 degree, which is nice for blind spots. And when you back up, it's really nice. It shows you around you, and I can show you later how it works. So it has a turn signal light here, LED. It's nice strong moldings around. And it has very nice wheels. Also, it came with the tow hitch, which is really nice. Somebody put the tow hitch on it. So it's an SL model. It has a nice auto open close trunk lid, which is just, you just press one right here, it automatically opens like that. It's plenty of room to put a lot of stuff. You can also fold the seats down, and then you're gonna have more room, you know. And it has a very nice audio system. Bose audio system. This is a subwoofer, which is a really nice, loud, nice sound system. And the power for the trunk lid is right here. Also, once you open it, you can close it from here. You just press it once, and it automatically closes itself. Okay, so it's a very nice car, beautiful car, red car. I got a really good deal, and that's why I'm happy to share with you guys. And probably I'm gonna sell it around 14,000, and because trade-in, net trade-in value is 18,000, I have to sell below Blue Book value because it has a rebuild title. Rebuild title because it was a salvage before. When I bought the car, the damage from body damage from the auction from Copart, I had to rebuild, replace those parts, and then after I fixed it, I repaired it, I took it to the highway patrol inspection to get inspected. Once I pass inspection, I take title to change it to EMV, and I get rebuild title. And most of the time, the insurance companies, they sell cars salvage because for them it costs a lot of money to repair it in the body shops. They get charged 3-4 times normal than other people pay. So that's why for them it's much easier and less liability to sell in auctions to the dealers like me and body shops, and that way they don't have liability with the cars. And once we buy cars, we fix them, repair them, pass inspection, and change the panel to rebuild, and then we can sell it back to the public. So let me tell you, this is a V6. It's a Nissan here emblem. Open up. It's a V6, 3.5 liter engine, and there's battery. Here's where you put the power steering fluid. I think it was focusing or brake fluid. One of those. There was some damage right here, as you can see. We repaired it. There's some few scratches here. I still have to touch up and fix it a little bit better, then put it for sale. So basically, that's and it has also nice daytime LED running lights, which is nice at night. Okay, let me show you inside. Okay, let's go back here. Can you follow me, please? And let's show you what's inside here. So here's the back seats, nice black leather seats. Also has a USB you can connect here. Unfortunately, this did not have a sunroof. Also, the SLs, they have a sunroof, but this one didn't have a sunroof. But it's not a big deal. Okay, and this is the front seats. And it's power seats here, reclining, you know, all that. And it also has a nice memory seats here, L1, L2 set. You can set it out. Both the front doors have automatic windows that can go up and down, and right here is the one that automatic open close thing. And if you can zoom in here, show what we got. This is a, let's see, Bluetooth. This is the thing that you can control for your instrument cluster. There's a source, you can change it to anything: CD, AUX, Bluetooth, AUX. This is the volume you can control, plus, minus, and you can control here the one that there, dashboard here, entertainment system. And this is speed, this cruise control right here. So anyway, it has automatic lights here. You can turn on auto. And let's see. Can you come from the other side? Let's show the inside features. Okay. Okay, so when you put the car to reverse, the one that I was talking about, 360-degree rear view cameras, it shows like this. You can see all around. There's one just for the back on the trunk lid, and also this another screen that shows